Welcome back to Beautyistic, the channel where we bring you the real scoop on the best beauty products out there. If you're anything like me, finding the perfect mascara can feel like hunting for a needle in a haystack. You want volume, separation, and a bold, dramatic lift. But does Maybelline's Volume Express Falsies Flared Mascara deliver on that promise? Let's find out. First things first, this mascara is designed to give you that full-on false lash effect, creating volume that's pushed up and out. The unique spoon curler brush features a flexible wand that claims to lift and separate lashes, adding serious drama with every coat. Plus, it's got a flexible hold formula, meaning your lashes stay voluminous but without that crunchy, stiff feeling some formulas can leave behind. Now let's dive into how it actually performs. In my daily routine, I'm always on the lookout for a mascara that can handle my lashes, so I've tested this one through the grind of a busy morning and even long, humid days. I was impressed by how easy it was to apply. The flexible wand really does make a difference in getting into those harder-to-reach lashes. The lift? Absolutely. My lashes looked fuller, and the flared effect really helped open up my eyes, giving that dramatic, wide-eyed look. But how did it feel during the day? I'll admit, I was concerned it might smudge or flake by midday. To my surprise, it held up well. The lashes stayed voluminous without too much fading, though I did notice some minor smudging under my eyes after a few hours, especially on hot days. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for a totally smudge-proof option. When it comes to ease of removal, it's pretty straightforward. As advertised, this mascara is washable, which means no fussing with makeup removers or harsh rubbing at the end of the night. That's always a plus in my book. So let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the volume boost is undeniable. My lashes were lifted, separated, and had a noticeable flare that added definition. The formula didn't feel too heavy on my lashes, and the application process was smooth and mess-free. I loved the flexibility of the wand. It really allowed for precise application, even on the lower lashes. On the downside, I did experience some smudging. It's not terrible, but it's definitely worth noting if you live in a humid climate or if you're wearing the mascara for an extended period of time. The formula is flexible, but this does mean it doesn't lock your lashes in as firmly as some other more rigid formulas out there. As for the price point, it's pretty standard for Maybelline mascaras. Given the performance, I'd say it offers decent value for money, especially if you're after that dramatic, Falsies-like effect without the price tag of high-end mascaras. In terms of alternatives, if you're not sold on the Falsies Flared, you might want to consider the Maybelline Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Both offer great volume and length, though I'd argue the Falsies Flared gives a more noticeable flare compared to the others. Looking at the build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The wand is easy to maneuver, and the tube is compact enough for travel. As for longevity, it's held up well for me in terms of usage, and it didn't dry out too quickly, which is always a concern with mascaras. I've been using it for a few weeks, and the formula still performs just as well as the first time I opened it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you're into Maybelline's Falsies Flared, you'll likely enjoy their other formulas too, but it really shines when you're looking for bold, dramatic lashes that aren't too over the top. I'd recommend this mascara to anyone who's after a flared, voluminous lash look with a bit of lift. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done beautifully for everyday use. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.